computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
And ahoy and welcome. This is your boy Kurix, Kurix_Tupper, and today is a Wednesday, April 2, 2025. Still midweek, a Wednesday, and it's currently 6:17 in the evening. Good evening, guys. And in today's stream, we're going to do some quick art stream to maybe finally update our avatar, so it will not be or maybe change things up a bit. So after this, I think we're going to do a couple of more art streams to make more dynamic movement for my avatar. But currently, I am using OBS's Move feature. I think switching back to a third-party application like PNG Tuber Plus will have its limitations. I think it took me quite some time to make things move, like what you guys are seeing here today. Hey, Shin! Good afternoon. Ay, good afternoon. Good evening na pala. We're going to do some quick art stream using the power of the pen tool. I am using a keyboard and mouse. I don't have any pen. I am that poor. But maybe soon I can upgrade to many things. I need to upgrade my PC. I need to upgrade my laptop. I need to upgrade my life. But for now, one step at a time, and we're just doing and chilling here on our end of Twitch. Tonight is another busy night for most people on Twitch. We have a number of familiar faces streaming their games, people playing Repo, playing. What else are people playing nowadays? Dragon Nest. Of course, the usual Valorant, League of Legends, Dota 2, some Apex Legends, some First Berserker Kazan. We just finished our Only Way is Down stream. You can check out the VODs here on Twitch, and I will upload that later tonight on YouTube, since you can also check out my VODs there. YouTube is the home of my VODs now, and all of these you can have on YouTube. So if you're on Twitch, feel free to check me out as well on YouTube. And if you're on YouTube, do check me out as well on Twitch. So it's like a cross-pollination of some sort. Good evening, guys. Welcome in. I'm also on Blue Sky, Twitter, Threads, and Facebook. So you can also check me out there. And when I go live, I usually post my schedules on my socials. And a bonus, I also requote, reshare stuff on my socials, including some hot takes that I have. So if you want me, or you want more of me, or if you want some peace of my mind, feel free to check me out on my socials as well. So if you are looking for a place to chill, maybe you can do it here. We're going to just go on silent most of the time, but if you guys are there to, if you want to hang out, if you want to chat, maybe feel free to do so on the chat, and I will be more than happy if I'm not busy doing my own some art on the side. Let's see if we can finish this rigging this today before the switch to direct later tonight. Let's see how long will that last. Let's go. Maybe 30 minutes or an hour, but that will start from 9 o'clock in the evening tonight. So I scheduled this stream for only 2 hours. So 6:15, 7:15, and 8:15. Let's see how far can we go. I can just not stream tonight and just wait for tonight's stream, but I want to be more productive and I want to stream as well, so why not have both, right? So here we are. But thank you for supporting and thank you for viewing the stream, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful night. We're not going to say goodbye for now, since we haven't even started. We're only like what, 1 minute into the stream. So let's check the chat first. Of course, we have the lovely Ishi redeeming our first lady. We have Yengi. Thank you for checking in, Yengi. We have Zeri55. Thank you, Zeri. And good evening. Real Shintaro. Uy! Ang mahal naman kasi ng pen tools. Yeah, true. I did have a pen way before, but I think that was already a very old model as well. I remember having a hard time, like, well, again, I think that was around like 2000 when I bought 1015 back when I was, I think that was a Genius tablet, and it's not even those fancy tablets, and it doesn't have any screen. It's basically is a separate. It's not on the same screen. Parang yung upgrade ng life mahirap. Yeah, true. Well, it's all in the mind din naman. Well, of course, you need money for that as well. And that's why we are here. That's why we are here. Where's the lie, right? Whoa! And you can also check me out on Discord. I actively manage it, actively post on it, and along with other community members. So if you have anything to share, maybe some thoughts or topics in mind, why not try that on our Discord community? And again, we're doing some art stream. This is Artsy Fartsy 25 for 2025. We're now at episode 2, more clothing action and rigging. Hopefully we finish with the clothes tonight. I think the last Artsy Fartsy, we basically went through with all of the stuff that you are seeing here. But let's see. And I haven't even finished. I haven't added any arms. I think some of the issues that I had is parang the shoulder is too rounded. Maybe I'll add maybe more corners here. It's too rounded though. So let's see, just take off the clothes and para matapos na. Parang macho dancer ka lang. Well, at least we managed to do this. What this one, we can remove this in the top shirt. What we have is this. We don't have any line art for the undershirt. But I don't want na parang, maybe I can make separate for a more, I don't know. But let's see later. Okay, let's jump right into it. And feel free to drop by the chat, and I'll just be here doing my own thing. And you can also hop into wait na lang. Let me also, there you go. I think we have a number of fellow streamers who are also streaming at the moment. Later tonight, we will end the stream to prepare for the Nintendo Direct for the Switch 2. That is around 8:45, so I can have more opening spiel or yap more about the upcoming Nintendo Switch 2. That is around 8:45. We will end the stream at around to 8:15 since this is a 2-hour stream. Hello, Lime Woofy. Good evening. So I think this all originated that I wanted my character to not hold his waist since it's very imposing, very commanding. I want something that will just maybe just a relaxed avatar. Maybe I can also have a pose wherein he's holding a controller. Usually with games that I am playing a controller. Maybe okay, we can do that in the future. Maybe we can fold this elbow so it will be facing forward. Maybe wait, how should I? Maybe the joints. Example, we probably can pink. How about red? We can probably joints. Okay, we can probably like make an arm like this, and then holding a controller. Hindi bastos yan, guys. Ayan. But for now, let's try making the shoulders more parang cornered. Hello, Lime. Wait, let me just maybe what's this? The joints. What should we change? The top shirt. I think I need to erase the excess yellow on the neck. Let's remove the joints for now. Joints, remove that. Mouth. Oh. Top shirt. Sige na, ilagay na muna natin yung top shirt. I know there's some excess areas there. I think where is that located? I think neck. Where's the neck? Neck mo. Neck and body. Okay, let's remove all of this. Ishi mumu. Oh, di ba? That's it. The neck and body. Ho. Let's remove this. I'm currently using the GIMP, an open source and free application. Or maybe I can just simply use the Magic Wand tool. Okay, there you go. Way better. And faster. Wait, how about the top shirt? Top shirt, the undershirt. Where's the undershirt? Basically, this, ano ba, the top shirt. Top shirt, let's make this into line art. Line art. Top shirt line art. Yeah, it's a top shirt line art. Top shirt line art. See? And we still have yet to add some colors on top of it. Hey, Kapen, good evening. Wow, magic. What are you talking about, Ishi? What is that? Like, should I remove that excess? Top shirt line art. Maybe we can remove this. It's too big. Too small. There you go. Line art. Oh. Line art. Maybe because I am... There you go. And I think the problem here, that's why you can see yung pixels, is because nakaseparate yung color ng shirt. Tsaka ang pangit. May excess dito. We're still at the top shirt. Top shirt, yung yellow shirt, I think we should fill this all up para maging uniform siya. Water marker tool, pencil. Up. Ay nako, nasa top shirt tayo nagkukulay. Wait, nagkulay ba? Okay, hindi naman siya nagkulay. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa... There you go. Yung line art na yung bahala dyan later. Although, sige, I'll retain yung cut na yon. Kasi what I plan to do is to move the shoulders then for rigging purposes. Pero saan na ba yung line art? Okay. Okay. Fine. Hindi naman halata eh. Yan, ang kapal kasi no line art ko. Yan, even if we turn that on, di ba? Although, may konting spot dito na, hindi ko lang alam kung excess ba to. I think excess. Okay, let's delete that. House! Erase. Tapos, I think this should be... Ayan. Wala bang square? I need the square. There you go. And then probably this should be medyo rough din yung edges dito. Total makapal naman siya. Uy, no. Bakit black? Oh. Yun. Ay, napunta. Yo, Flyby Nation. Hey, Corix. What's up? Flyby Nation last seen playing Euro Truck Simulator 2. What's up? Thank you for passing by. or tuning in. Currently doing some artsy-fartsy episode here. How about if we turn on the line art? Have we covered everything? Yeah. Actually, it's a bit excessive. It's Jay. Yeah. Hello, Jay. Why you rebrand again? How are you doing, man? Why the rebrand? Who is Flyby? Flyby Nation. Why? What's the origin of that name? Okay. Okay, so that's the white shirt. But I did say na I want it to be like more uh I'll just ano na lang. I'll just say it. I'll just do it na lang. Let's go with the black and white again, or blacks and whites. Pen tool. And let's open up the joints. Put it like this. I think you will have it like this. It's so hard without a pen and tablet. My goodness. It's so hard being poor. So hard being poor. And I think what? What is that? And then this is the arms. I think this is the ball joint. Wait. Oh no! Why am I doing on I'm on the top. I'm on the top shirt. What the fuck am I doing? I'm not on the joints. Correct. Shoulder pads. Oh no. Remove everything. There you go. Darn it. I'm going to do it all over again. Oh, look at that. That's too small, Ishii. Or maybe we should full opacity. Usually you will have it like this. And then if we follow yung red shirt, ayan. It's not really a thick shoulder pads. It's like, and then you will have it like this. Ay, wait. Where are we doing it? Okay, we're at the joints. Okay, I thought I'm doing it wrong again. Eh. Then this one, we can have it like this. And this is the biceps. Then I think if we continue it with this, we can put the chest here. Similar to maybe a body like. Nope. Excessive. This is not even a line art. This is basically just a rough draft. And then abs. Of course, this is not our main body, but of course, go figure. Just for reference and anatomy. And even yung shirt underneath oh, hindi siya masyadong. Pero it's a bit buff eh. We don't want din naman na too buff. Puro correct that. We can use the red thingy, the red undershirt as a reference na rin. Hindi pa rin naman kasi final yung red shirt eh. Yeah, this is a long way to go. Hindi pa to magagawa within today. Kasi I still need to draw the I'm free-forming by the way. Freehand. Using mouse. So if we follow this parang line art, parang hindi rin masyadong pantay yung joints eh. But it is what it is. Pag tinanggal natin to, you know, we can start working on fixing the top color, or maybe start with the line arts or joints. Hey, Wiz! We'll be lurking, doing some coding, so have to concentrate. Okay. Thank you, Jay. Rebranded to Fly by Nation. Hopefully we see more of you. Wiz! Wow! Grabe naman to si Wiz. Why are you showing your boobs on the chat? Like literally. Ayan no? BOOBS. Calm Wisdom is showing her boobs on chat. Grabe. Ang sarap mo, Pia. Belonce, good evening Philippines and hello world. And sana masarap ang ulam ninyo. Ayan. Thank you. Wala pa. It's still 6:45. I think maya-maya pa kami kakain din naman. Pero for now, I'm just doing some art. Joints. So let me first tweak the top shirt, linen, line art, linen. Linen? Wait, what? So what I will do is let me lower the opacity of the joint so we can start working on it. Okay, let's make it sexy. Cosmos, the OG Bading Garcia. Welcome in. How are you doing? Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Calm Wisdom, Ishi Ishi, Flyby Nation, Bomadom, Cosmos, Invisible, right? Invisible is there, right? Kapen Preso, Lime Wufei, Real Shintaro, and Yengi. Good evening. Naglalaba. Ayan, Labawel. Balitang ina, kinang ina. Now we are going to rely on the power of the pen tool. So now that we have this, we can now correct this. If this is going to be the new shoulder line art, you know, tank. Maybe we should parang take hints na. And then probably here, and then here, and maybe there. And then let's try to curve it. This one we can move it around. Nope. Uy, tama ba? Ito, tama. Uy, abe. Para masyado naging bulky naman. Hindi man tayo gumagawa ng Macho Man. Macho Man. Ta-ra-ra-ta-ra-ta, the Macho Man. Aish. Let's see na lang kung this will work out. This will turn out well. Masyadong kurbado to, tong part na to. Then maybe we can fold it here. Again, maggawa tayo ng isa pang fold. Okay, let's fill it out with stroke path. 11.5 stroke. Okay, let's see. Tanggalin ko muna yung top shirt line art. Tanggalin natin yung joints. Can probably smooth it out. Mamaya, ano daw? Cosmos, now ba maglilig? Panoorin muna natin mag-drawing si Da Vinci Code. What are you talking about? Maglaro kayo dyan. Da Vinci Code your face. Nag-end stream ka na ba, Bombs? Parang naka-be right back ka lang kanina before I started the stream. I think you're still on be right back. Hindi kasi nag-i-stream. Alam mo naman marami naghihintay sa'yo, Cosmos. na mga inaanak. I don't like how thick that this area is. Masyado siyang makapal. And it's not even, it doesn't look natural as well. Well, it's parang basically to connect that, tapos parang pag ganun. I think I can change it pa. It's too thick. Too big. This is too big. This area is too big. Can probably curve it some more. Nag-iisip ako ano lalaruin. Ang dami-dami mo naka-bookmark eh. What are you talking about, Mom? Akala ko ba you have like 72 games that you want to try? Why don't you try them now? Is that a traditional case of ano? Paralysis by overanalysis? And so many games to play. What are you talking about? Stroke path. I think that's better. Sobrang dami daw makapag-decide. Bakit ka ba nagbalik loob sa Dead Frontier? Besides, of course, besides it being fun, alam mo naman na walang masyadong progression dun sa game na yon. Ano ba yung mga games na may progression? Story-driven. Na pwede mong i-schedule na gawin mong parang regular schedule. I would think na kaya ka ng The Dead Frontier dahil kay Malaya, para may kasama si Malaya. Pero kung nagsasolo ka lang naman, you can try playing yung mga single player games, narrative. Mag-ready na ako mag-stream. Drawing well. Sige, Cosmos. Kasi kasama na si Malaya sa... okay naman pala. Plus, nainganyo ako mag-grind. Di ko nga alam. Kaya nga eh. I mean, you can always just play it with Malaya para sabay kayo nagpo-progress and you're helping out each other. Kasi kung ikaw lang, okay lang naman. Pero given na marami ka pang ibang games na need na laruin, ikaw, up to you. I think mas okay na, no? I think what I can do is to save me the stress. Okay na ba to? I think mas okay na. I can use this side and then i-flip ko na lang to sa kabilang side. I-mirror ko na lang. Copy, paste, flip, and then we drag it. Yep. Actually, that's perfect. Can still move it probably here. Yep. That's perfect. And now we simply just need to wait. Can probably Better? Better. Belonce, love the weather now. It's 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius, are you really sure na you love it? 3 degrees Celsius, isn't that a bit like bone chilling? Bone chilling. Bomadom, nag-farm ako ng bullets sa items para kay Malaya. Well, if it's for if it's for love, who can argue with you? For love talaga, no? Top shirt line art. Pero yun, I think mag-i-stream na rin si Cosmos, although rekta na ba agad sa ano yan? Sa league? And do check out our friends here. Yan sila Bomadom, si Cosmos Sama. Belonce kasi di pa nag-i-stream eh. Belonce stream when? So nice in warm in a warm comforter with a memory bed. Oh, look, there's a new link. Cheap viewers on Streamboo. What are you talking about? Ban. Hidden. You good for nothing bots. Yes, I love the weather. She likes it cold. Dinner na mga di pa nagdi-dinner. Yeah, later. Top shirt line art. (6:58), almost dinner time na rin din talaga yung oras na to. Up. Wait up. Wait up. I'm not looking forward for summer. Is there parang what is the parang weather forecast there in I don't know which side are you on, Belonce? Are you on the west or the east coast? Will there be parang forecasted heat wave in the US? Usually it's a bit hot on the, I don't know, western side. East Coast. There you go. Nope, it's around the neck and body. I think I can... It's not noticeable at this angle. Eh. Okay, let's try to fill it up. One tool. Nope, because that's not it. Top line shirt. There you go. And let's fill it up again. Fill tool. Top shirt color. Yellow. Fill tool. Yeah, I think that's it. We managed to get the colors. I think mas okay na yung match cornered shoulders, broad shoulders, top shirt line art. See? Para tuloy naging serious ng konti kasi usually boyish dapat eh. But it is what it is. It's a step up in the right direction. So if I'm going to do this on this side, I also need this to do. I need this to also apply it on the parang undershirt. We do get a heat wave, but not the same from the West Coast. Is it hotter or much weaker? But still, though, I think what you are referring to is na you much prefer the cooler temperature. You can see it. And you can see it here. And you're currently listening to the Relax Movement, a copyright-free music that on YouTube that you can use on Twitch and YouTube, of course, without getting hit by that dreaded copyright police. Let's check the chat. It's better to polish it now than later. And later tonight, we will be reacting and doing some commentaries on, or commentary on the Nintendo Switch 2. So watch out for that. That will be at 8:45 in the evening. I will take a break at around 8:15 or 8. And hopefully we can progress as much as we can. Who's on chat right now? I can hear some... Wait, who's on chat? Do you have somebody on chat? Reku, what's that? I saw you online earlier. You went online on Twitch, pero you suddenly disappear. Di ka man lang nag-rate. Pinagalitan. Wait, maybe we can soften this up. It's so thick here. Pero I think we can also clean this up. So freaking dirty, this one. It's probably on the neck area. This one. Yep, it's on the neck. Kapal eh, oh. Let's take this color and let's run with it. There you go. Para hindi na masyadong thick. Although yung color nung yung light source parang ang kumapal naman masyado dito, di ba? Shouldn't be that way. Pero hindi halata. Hindi naman masyadong halata kapag yan. Pag naka-zoom in lang talaga. And probably kapag nasa sa screen na yan. Although still though, medyo nag-mature pa rin kasi parang too curved. Should I make it pointy? Maybe I should make it pointy, no? Para may shoulder pads talaga. I still prefer the cold weather but not the windy with snow weather. Usually I do get rosy cheeks. Sobrang Latina. Oh, what's this? I think this is still at the neck and body. Maybe we can... Houston, we have a problem. Beautiful, beautiful. Maybe we need to close this off. Where's the... So, kumusta naman ang mga Wednesday nyo so far, guys? What's up? Ako, I managed to stream earlier yung the cat game. Only Way is down. Maybe you can share some thoughts about the game na I streamed earlier. What do you think about it? Kasi that was a sponsored stream from earlier. So kaya trying hard ako mag-i-Ingles. But again, if you want me to speak in English, I can. I'll try. So we can cater to a more global audience. And again, you're currently listening to The Relax Movement. Lo-fi. Is it lo-fi? I think that's lo-fi, no? Should we add like extra fold here to like add something or wag na? Kasi parang meron dito. Para lang may changes naman from left to right. Hindi naman ganun too copycat. And again, parang humaba din masyado yung manggas nung shirt. Again, it's still a bit curved, pero compared mo naman sa kanina when we started, should I like make it pointy? Like, I guess okay na naman to. Pero yung undershirt, ayun din, doon pala natin pwede yung ma-check yung yung changes, ayun no. The before and after. Before talagang slump down yung shoulders eh. I think what we can do here is yung top line art. One tool muna natin yung top line art. And then, punta tayo sa lower undershirt. Kuhain natin yung color and let's fill it up. Hindi, kasi hindi kasama yung... There. Now, the tricky part is Control A. Since hindi naman to yung mismong kailangan gumawa din ako ng line art for the lower body. Siguro gawa tayo or lower undershirt line art. Para maybe I can switch around na yung red and yellow. Kunyari siguro pag colder season. Or maybe I can just stick to this yung look ng avatar ko na naka yellow and red even though kahit ano naman yung weather. Ganda sana kung parang I can switch yung mga costumes. Kunyari, it's summer. Maybe I can drop the sweater para mas parang yung itsura niya is more casual, summer look. Maybe I can do that, no? Maybe I will not prioritize muna yung... Oo nga, no? Although pag ganun kasi magpo-focus na ako sa talagang color ng skin. But then again, sometimes it's not about... Well, it is usually about yung look ng PNG eh. Parang, if you think about Kurix, what do you usually think or see? So parang may signature look yung mga ano. Pero what I can do is yung signature look ko is yung look nung actual avatar. Tapos magpapalit-palit na lang siya ng damit throughout the season. Kunyari, of course, summer look. Pwede nga ako maglagay ng salbabida and then yung parang summer gear, diba? Or instead of a yellow t-shirt, I can go with a yellow sando. I don't know what's a sando in English. I think sando is more of a parang it's either a brand of clothing. Sleeveless shirt ba yun? But usually sandos have, I don't know, sleeveless shirt. Okay. So let's also make the joints visible. Ayan. So we can also trace over. Again, yung joints naman is more of a reference. We don't need to study or follow it to a T. Kasi example yan, no? If you follow it, parang dapat hindi ganyan kakapal yan. But then again, if we do follow it, magkakaroon tayo ng new line art dito na hindi lang undershirt yung name, magiging skin. Sleeveless spaghetti strap, low cut, underarm cut, ganun. Although usually when you said spaghetti strap, usually it's referring to women. Well, of course, if you are also part of the you're effeminate or part of the LGBTQ, you wouldn't mind yung what you are wearing to be called as spaghetti stuff. Hindi, pero for the sake of na lang. Let me do a line art na lang. Ay, dapat pala i-duplicate ko yung... Let me duplicate it. Let me delete this layer. And then, yung top shirt color, joints, undershirt. Ay, ano yung dinilit ko? Did I delete the top shirt? I think I deleted the top shirt line art, lols. The undershirt line art, let me delete this. This is what I wanted to delete, not the... Okay. Undershirt color, top shirt line art. Duplicate this. And then the copy, I'll change it to like undershirt line art. So maybe in the future I can make like a dedicated like undershirt clothing separate from the top shirt clothing. Yo, Damon, happy streaming. Looking good with your avatar. Yes. Mm, undershirt line art, top shirt, undershirt. What's this undershirt no? Ah, may undershirt. May undershirt na pala ako eh. Pero kasi since I made a new one. Okay, okay. I can probably merge this. Yo, Damon, Ghost in the show, hug. Thank you for the AI hug. The AI hug. Kamusta Ghost? I think Ghost was also streaming. Is also streaming. Yan na, napupush oh. Ibig sabihin I need to still again to push back yung or litan ko yung font size nung shoutout so that it will fit dun sa box na nilagay natin. So, note to self, adjust it later. Yes, I can merge this too. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So first, undershirt, yung top. Undershirt line art. Naka-on pa ba yung yung top? Oh, naka-on pa. Kaya naman pala hindi mawala-wala eh. Undershirt. Undershirt line art. Okay. So the itong undershirt. Nalilito kasi ako eh. I-erase ko na to, this one. So this time, ang i-erase ko naman itong undershirt. Tanggalin ko nga muna yung joints. Joints. Where are your joints? Now we can try to can probably try to merge it, no? Tanggalin ko na tong Teka, saan ba tayo nakatingin ngayon? Sa undershirt? So, tanggalin natin yung line shirt. Hey, Kerry! Good evening. Good evening. Tanggalin ko na to. Yung undershirt. Thank you, Ishi, for the hydrate. Humahabol. Sunod, number 10 na yan. Can we now like merge it into one undershirt? Yung kulay tanggalin muna natin. I think later pag fully merged na sila, doon na natin pwedeng paglaruan yung i-merge ko na muna. Merge down. Merge down. Wag flatten. Merge down. Okay, so now that's the undershirt now. Where's the joints? The joints. So given yung joints, undershirt. Hey, Nasu, evening. Miss Queen, happy streaming again. Kurix, lurk lang while working. Ayan, have a productive night at work, Miss Queen. And later, we will be reacting to the Nintendo Direct. I'll be ending the stream at around 8 and then 8:45 sabak uli, konting daldal and then react na sa Nintendo Direct. Switch to you. Yeah, hello, correct sa Ishi and chat. Good evening, Nasu VT. What if now 10 na? Anong no 10 na? What do you mean? Hindi, what do you mean, Ishi? Anong 10? Kerry, Damon, Taray naman may pa-ups. Hindi, ano yan, it's just a line. Hindi yan yung yung actual na body na gagamitin ko. Just a reference. A guide. What are we working on again? Yung undershirt. Undershirt color, undershirt line art. Undershirt line art na siya. Okay, so now that we have the undershirt line art, we don't need to follow it to a T. Kasi ayan, no? What we can do is pen tool. naman. Ay. Did you have a new chat? Yes, naka-alarm na and ang Nintendo. Yep, same. Naka-notify na rin sa akin yung Nintendo. I think si Prem din yata. Baka mag-react din si Prem. Unless mag-i-stream siya ng first Berserker Kazan. But I think he can always just do a reaction and then first Berserker Kazan later. Should no 10 na. Anong 10 na? What are you talking about, Ishi? 10 ka na. Nice. Sino yung naano mo, naungusan mo? 'Di ba kanina nag-leaderboards ka din? Sino yung na-overthrow mo? Sana all. Number 10. Number 10 sa balota. Ishi. Sino kaya mga ma-overthrow ni Ishi? Sino yung pinalitan mo? Sino yung naungusan mo, Ishi? Si Dens. Oh no, Dens. You're out. I think I should nung nakaraan, ipon-ipon din si Dens eh. Panay-panay rin redeem si Dens eh. I think ang na-overthrow naman ni Dens nun si Dandice. Ayoko po ng 10 lang. Number 1 po ako lagi. Aba! You have a long way to go. I'm already there. Oh. Ay.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight in the orbit of Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
Ay.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0.
Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical
Socials are what? Ay. Houston, we have a problem. Heh. Heh heh. Masyado malaki. Evening, Mayari. Sure is. Have a great day. Evening, evening. Ay. Mali. We're just making our new and improved avatar. And then we have the red ones. We separated it. We have the yellow ones. Top shirt. Oh, diba? Ay. And then we can make it more animated. But first we need a parang a neutral a body that we can color later. So we separated the top shirt from the bottom shirt. Okay, so that's the... Pero parang hindi pa rin ako masyadong convinced dito. Okay lang ba yung dito? Parang, okay, this is the ano, shook, tok. Do I really need na parang i-emphasize na ito yung dito nagbe-break yung biceps and versus the triceps? Maybe. It sure is. Have a great day. Or maybe it's too thick or too parang masyadong ine-emphasize tong zone na to. Dance! Evening Dance! Check mo yung ranking, Dance. Naunahan ka na, Dance. May nakauna na sa'yo, Dance. Ay. Ay. Yeah. Yung long sleeve, I think it's better. What do you mean, Nishi? What do you mean na it's better? What do you mean it's better? Natatakbayin ng shirt. Better na medyo fitted. Better na medyo fitted. Ah, okay. So, okay na yung side na to. I'll probably need to do that on the other side. So, i-mirror ko na lang para hindi na masyadong hassle. But first, we need to secure na i-delete na muna natin yung kabilang side para pantay sila. So, I have to delete this. Sorry, I need to do this. Siguro ganyan lang. Big square. Man, ang laki naman. Ah, opacity kasi yung size kasi.
Discovery's core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
What I think I'll need to do first is make a grid or open the grid layer, view grid, show grid. Okay. And then this is the undershirt line art. Copy, paste, flip. Let's move it to the other side. Okay. It's too close. It's too close. O hindi lang pantay yung clothes. I think hindi lang pantay yung clothes. Eh. Tama ba? Tama ba? Tama ba yung... Hindi talaga siya pantay nung nakaraan pa. Yeah. Yung clothes, no? Hindi, what I can do is, ito, i-extend ko tong other shoulder. But then again, kapag in-extend ko siya, will it ruin yung entire image? Or, ayun yung big question eh. Like, if, let's say na ganyan, if-flatten ko siya ng ganito. Tilt mo na lang yan ng konti. Tilt. Pwede. Rotate. Although yun lang yung problema kapag tinitilt kasi parang yung okay naman so far. Mm. It worked. In the end, it worked naman. So okay lang. Okay. Ay, ba yun? Brush. Ay, yung square yata talaga pure black lang yata kasi talaga siya eh. Okay siya na eraser, pero hindi siya okay na pen to ay na pen tool. Kasi hindi niya ina-adapt yung color nung ano. I think it's one of the brushes na hindi ko lang alam kung default siya nung GIMP or I had that before. Parang dinownload ko lang yata yung preset nun. Ay! And you're currently listening to the Relax Movement. Di ba kayo nare-relax, people? What is this? Bakit may mga certain bluish something dito? Relax where? Ay! Sa puso mo. Ay! Pum, 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 pum. Hindi mo talaga alam kung maluwag ba o masikip yung undershirt eh. Kasi almost the same sila nung all this trouble for a parang area na hindi naman makikita. Ayan o. Masyado naging body hugging yung ano. Is that all right? Okay lang naman siguro, no? Ano nangyari sa pants? Nawala yung pants? Ah, yeah. I need to, ano pa pala? Itong shorts. Yeah. From turtleneck, no? Down to pwede ko namang itaas yung shorts. Yeah, I think I can do that. This one. This one I can move. Pupils. And I think I can shrink this scale. Ang mahalaga lang naman matrace ko yung pants underneath eh. And then I can make yung creative freedom to make yung very own legs. Okay, I think pwede na. So what we do here now is yung pupils. Okay, tayo ng short line art. Alam, bilis naman ng oras. 7:55 na. Flare mo na lang onti yung t-shirt na in-tilt mo kasi right side, di ba? What do you mean, Ishi? If flare mo na lang onti yung shirt. Ihag yung ano ba? Yung undershirt, Ishi? Flare mo na lang onti yung t-shirt. Palakihan ko yung t-shirt. Yung t-shirt. Tama ba? What do you mean by flare? What's that term? Medyo hindi na ako familiar sa mga what's the term flare? What's flaring? Aizen, patambays, yung arm kasi ng t-shirt sa right, di ba? Kapantay ng undershirt. Medyo i-flare mo pa ganun. Thank you, Zain. Hayaan mo na. Later. I'm working on the jorts now. I'm tracing stuff. Yo, Chope! Uy, ano yung tight na yan? Grabe naman. Ano yung tight? Hindi ko alam yan, Chope eh. Ano yung tight? Ah, tight. Ah. Bakit hindi nag-stroke? Nagpili na ba? Ay, kasi nasa pupils. Mali. Mali! Sa short line art kasi yun. Stroke path. Yun ang tama. 8 na. Oo nga, hindi na tayo umabot. O sige guys, I think for now, so much for the, sabi ko, more clothing action and rigging. Hindi man lang tayo umabot sa rig. So it's already 8. Magdi-dinner muna ako, and then when we return, it's going to be 8:45. We will be preparing for the Nintendo Switch 2 announcement, and hopefully may mga iba pang mga features, upcoming games. Who knows, baka nandoon i-announce yung more of Metroid Prime 4 or maybe the next Zelda and the next Mario. Usually when you release a new console, may flagship game na kasama or may bago bang gimmick na related to Switch. So that will be for later, pero check muna natin yung overall progress natin. Ito yung, we can remove this, and then let's also remove yung joints. And ayan. Yan yung natapos natin sa ngayon. So what we did, kasi last time we were able to parang round the corners up. Binago natin yung forma. So now it's more like looking like this. And gawin na natin yung flare up na sinasabi ni Ishii last time para medyo mas makapal yung upper shirt, since that is a t-shirt, and usually talagang yung undershirt yung mas tighter eh. It's either that or i-move ko yung undershirt na para mas hugging sa body, mas malapit, para yung shirt is ganun pa din pero yung undershirt is mas malapit, mas closer sa body. I think yung left side, yung undershirt i-move ko pa pasok, and yung sa right side naman ng t-shirt, if i-flare up ko pa right side. I think mas okay yun, no, Ishii? It's either yung shirt underneath is iti-tilt ko na lang para katulad siya nung shirt sa kabila. Pero I think mas okay kung i-move ko siya on the other side. So I think okay naman yung sa short. Parang basically yun yung short, ayun yung beginning ng short. Tapos ito, i-mirror ko na lang sa kabilang side para may uniformity. Pag ganun pang nalalaman. And there you go. Ayun pa lang. So next project na natin is yung the jorts and the skin. Pero I think we're far from parang finishing it eh. Gandang good evening. Tambay lurk, kagising lang ngayon. Sige. Thank you, Kuya Ens. Pero I'm going to read out na din kasi mamaya may Nintendo Direct for the Switch 2. So I need to wrap things up. 8:04, 8:45 yung next stream natin. And with that, thank you so much. This will be the new look of my avatar. Of course, we still need to do some shadow, some lighting, and then soon enough, makikita nyo na to in action. It will squeeze up, it will move. Ay nako, ako yung na-excite, pero syempre pero thank you guys, thank you. And let's roll the credits muna. So, where's the end credits? Siguro hindi ko na lang ipa-play yung Long Ago 20th Century, pero pwede rin naman. Hinaan ko na lang yung browser game. Ay, yung browser sound. Thank you everyone for joining us in this very short art stream. For the chatters, we have Belon sa 18, Bomadom, Calm Wisdom, Seal Hope, Cosmos Sama, Damon D, Dens Gaming, Fly by Nation goes in the show. Ishi, Kapen Preso, Keriola, Kuya En, Slime, Mufei, Miss Queen Amigdula, Nasoviti, Real Shintaro, and Zane Streams. And with that, you can copy and paste this raid message. Kita-kita tayo mamayang 8:45. Sakto yun, nakaschedule na yun. Quick dinner, and then pahinga ng saglit, and then another streaming session later. You can copy and paste this raid message, and for our subscribers, you can copy and paste this raid message containing our tier 1 emotes, or use any emotes na nasa tier 1 list for our raid message. And with that, let's find somebody to raid. Opening up the browser. Ta da da ta ta da ten ten ten. Tono chiga ta 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 dan tan. Hoy, tara, let's raid Audrey Bunny. Naglalaro ngayon ng Inzoy. Okay, let's check. Banuinoy. Wow, ang cute naman. Parang human version. Well, human naman din yung avatar ni Audrey Bunny. Pero tara, let's raid Audrey. Si Banuinoy raiding Audrey Bunny. And with that, I will catch you at 8:45 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. What? 8:45 for the Nintendo Direct for the Switch 2.